Welcome. I see a lot of young folks these days looking a bit lost.
Much like a traveler out in the desert without a compass.
You ask yourselves, what is my path?
How do I find my purpose in this vast world?
Let me tell you, feeling lost isn't a flaw.
It is simply the beginning of the search.
Aside for a spell, just to share 10 simple tips I've picked up over a long life. Hopefully, they'll help you forge your own path and find your true purpose.
1.
Watch what you craft with passion. Just like when I forged these horseshoes, there's always something you do that makes you completely lose track of time. Look for that thing, because your purpose is usually hiding right there.
2. Listen to the quiet. Step away from the noise of the world around you.
The greatest answers don't come from the crowd and commotion.
They come when you sit with yourself in silence and just listen to your own inner voice. 3.
Don't fear the fire of trials. It's the fire that shapes solid iron. Hardships and new experiences are exactly what reveal your true mettle, and they'll guide you right toward what you're truly good at. 4.
Start with small steps. Don't go looking for some massive goal to change the whole world all at once. Start with something small you love doing today, and that thing will grow right alongside you, step by step.
5. Learn from the trails left behind. Don't walk an unfamiliar trail all by yourself. Read and ask the folks who have been around longer than you.
Their experiences and the lessons they've learned will save you a whole lot of effort.
6. Accept failure like bent nails. If you strike a nail and it bends, that's not the end of it.
Failure is just a lesson, teaching you how to swing the hammer a little truer the next time around.
7. Patience is the anvil. Great goals need a strong foundation. Don't go rushing the results, for everything of real value in this life takes time and steady, continuous effort. 8.
Seek the mark you leave behind. The goals that truly endure and bring you deep satisfaction are the ones that don't just serve you alone.
They are the ones that lend a helping hand and bring real value to the folks around you.
9.
Bend like the wind. Your path might shift right in the middle of your journey, and that is perfectly fine. The important thing is that you don't just stop. You've got to keep adapting and keep moving forward. 10. Strike while the iron is hot. The most important piece of advice. Don't go waiting around for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is right now. Start working with what you have right where you stand. Always remember, finding your purpose isn't some final destination where we arrive and just stop.
It is the journey we live every single day.
Let me know down in the comments what is the first step you are going to take today to seek out your purpose.
If you found a bit of use in my words, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who might need it.
Until we meet again for a new tale.